Never get disheartened if something wrong has happened, and if you have asked someone to help you out and he did not help you, you wanted some favor and he did not give you some favor. Never be disheartened. Be hopeful. You must have confidence that the heart always gravitates towards happiness. It has something good for you. Listen to it, what your heart is saying, and definitely, if you listen it calmly, then definitely you will be find some way where you can have something better. Hope for the best. Hope for the best, and believe that it will happen. It will happen, and if it does not happen, then hope and trust that something better is in await. Nature wants you to work more and search for it. Never be disheartened. Never be disheartened if someone has not given you a favor. I saw a small clip. It was an old lady sitting on a roadside bench. Her stick fell down on road. She was unable to make it and collect it. She saw that a young boy was coming, eating some burger or other, and passed by her and stood at a distance. The old lady, requested the boy, young boy, to please kindly pick this stick for her. The boy smiled, nodded his head, showing that yes, he will do. But the boy kept on eating that burger or the eating stuff which he has in the hand. The lady waited for a moment, and then her face showed some anger on. Definitely, she thought that the boy would respect and help her out. Then definitely it was a natural reaction that the anger prevailed over her face. And in anger, she stood up and picked up the stick and took one step ahead. The moment she picked up the stick and moved forward, the shade above her fell down. Now you can just see that had that boy picked up stick and given to old lady, it was a favor. Maybe the lady thought that something good has happened. And when the boy did not, she thought that something wrong has done. The boy did not take care of her old age. But only after, when she picked up stick for herself and moved, and the shade behind her fell down, she realized that the nature wanted to save her. Definitely something better was for her. Picking up the stick by boy and handing over to her was very inferior, and this act of her was excellent, and this was the best which the nature had with her to give her. The nature had with it to give her. So never be disheartened if something wrong has happened, someone has not helped you, someone not has favored you. So never be disheartened. Keep yourself positive, keep yourself hopeful, keep your energies together, and keep on hoping for the best, working for the best, and definitely you will get the best